My name is Zhao. I am a researcher and a teacher at the Department of Strategic Communication at Lund University. Today, I'm talking about cultures and during and also before crisis and how we can look at the cultural dimensions of crisis communication and how can we address cultural issues when crisis happened. My main focus is raise this cultural awareness from the audience, how they can pay more attention to the cultural issues when crisis come and how they can prepare for these cultural issues before crisis happened. I think we touch upon two dimensions in crisis communication today. First of all, we talk about how when crisis happened in a cross-cultural kind of settings, we need to have more expertise in the cross-cultural or intercultural perspective to understand the cultural issues in another countries better before and during crisis. And the other dimension we'll talk about the multicultural communications. That is how can we address the increased diversity, especially in the cultural diversity in a society, how the multicultural use and consumptions can affect the way we interpret or understand crisis informations. So the suggestions will be two kind of in two boxes. For one box is that when we need to prepare or learn more about the intercultural or cross-cultural expertise and prepare that when crisis happened or before. And the other thing is that we need to think about from the multicultural dimensions, we need to prepare the informations and disseminate them through those channels and in the information formats that multicultural groups they can understand, and so that we can respond to crisis in a more effective way.